ScreenBeam 1100 Plus starts with best-in-class wireless display. App-free, OS native, built for modern meeting spaces and lecture halls. Now available as a complete platform, extending wireless display with administrative and instructional tools. A single platform for wireless collaboration, BYOM conferencing, active learning, and real-time communication across every room and display. With native support for Miracast, AirPlay, Google Cast, and BrowserCast, users can share content instantly from any device with no apps, no dongles, and no disruption to the meeting or lecture. But 1100 Plus goes beyond wireless presentation. With support for Bring Your Own Meeting, users can wirelessly connect to in-room cameras, microphones, and speakers, and run Teams, Zoom, or Meet directly from their own device. No room PC, no extra cables, just walk in and start. In larger classrooms and lecture halls, active learning enables structured collaboration across multiple displays, where students can share content, compare ideas, and engage in group-based learning, while instructors guide the lesson in real time. Across the campus, those same displays become a communication layer for the entire organization. Signage Plus delivers digital signage across classrooms, meeting rooms, and common areas. Message Manager lets teams push updates instantly to any display, and Alert Plus enables real-time emergency notifications when it matters most. All centrally managed and secure and designed to work across multiple networks, supporting both internal users and guests without compromising security. See it in action. Request a demo at ScreenBeam.com.